The basic health research done on 2018 shows that around 20% of the population in Indonesia potentially experience mental health disorders. 19 million of them are teenagers with mental emotional disorders. Furthermore, 12 million residents aged 15 years and over were recorded as depression. The COVID-19 pandemic has made the situation worse. Mental health disorders in Indonesia have increased to 64.3%. From this, we can conclude that the third point of the Sustainable Development Goals target that has not been met accordingly. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Muhamad Rizky Arfian, a representative from the Department of Development Economics, Faculty of Economics, Semarang State University. I will talk about mental health disorders that occur in Indonesia and their relationship with Sustainable Development Goals. Improving mental health is the third point of Sustainable Development Goals, which is implemented as a response to the increment in premature mortality caused by mental health disorders. According to the Indonesia National Adolescent Mental Health Survey, the most common mental health disorders among adolescents are anxiety disorders at 3.7%, then major depressive disorders at 1%, behavioral disorders at 0.9%, and 0.5% in both post-traumatic stress disorders or PTSD and attention deficit hyperactivity disorders or ADHD. We cannot underestimate mental health disorders. Besides increasing premature mortality, mental health disorders can interfere with physical health, daily activities, and disharmonious relationship. And for that, treatment and assistance for those who have mental health disorders are important. It is accordant with the principle of Sustainable Development Goals, which state no one is left behind. We must not ignore or leave those who are struggling with their mental health alone. There are two strategies that can be used to overcome this problem. First, by increasing advocacy, literacy, and community empowerment. This step can be achieved by collaboration between various parties or what is commonly called the pentahelix strategy. With this strategy, it is expected to resolve mental health in an integrated way. This strategy can link the central government, local government, universities, private sectors, professional organizations, media, and other related parties. Second, improving exciting mental health services in Indonesia. This is based on the uneven distribution of health facilities that treat mental health disorders. Currently, only about 40% of hospitals are able to provide mental health services. Furthermore, there is still a high gap between the psychiatrists and the population, with a ratio of 1 in 200,000. This is not easy, but with small steps, we can solve mental health problem in Indonesia, create a healthy life, and help to increase the level of well-being. Furthermore, we can make the 2030 Sustainable Development Goals successful. Thank you.